Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of mint, a herb that's not only aromatic but also incredibly versatile. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just looking to explore new flavors and benefits, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Let's start with a quick introduction to mint. Mint is a fragrant and fast-growing herb that belongs to the Lamiaceae family. It's famous for its distinct aroma and is widely used in culinary, medicinal, and even cosmetic applications. Mint comes in various captivating varieties, each with its own unique flavor profile. We've got spearmint, peppermint, chocolate mint, pineapple mint, and so many more. You can choose the one that resonates with your taste buds or experiment with a mix for a burst of flavors. Ready to get your hands dirty? Mint is a fantastic herb to grow right at home, whether you have a sprawling garden or just a small balcony. It's a hardy plant that can thrive in various conditions. Make sure you choose a well-draining soil, give it plenty of sunlight, and water it consistently. Now, let's talk about the delicious part, cooking with mint. Mint can elevate your culinary creations to a whole new level. From fresh salads to refreshing beverages, and even mouth-watering desserts, mint adds a delightful zing. How about a classic mint-infused mojito or a cool cucumber mint yogurt dip? The possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. Mint isn't just about flavor, it also boasts impressive medicinal properties. It can aid digestion, alleviate headaches, and even provide relief from respiratory issues. You can brew a soothing cup of mint tea or incorporate it into your skincare routine for a natural glow. Get your creative juices flowing with some DIY mint projects. We're talking homemade mint-infused oils, soothing balms, and even mint-scented candles. These make wonderful gifts or can simply add a touch of luxury to your self-care routine. Let's wrap things up with some fun mint facts. Did you know that mint leaves were used in ancient times to symbolize hospitality? Or that mint was believed to have mythical powers in different cultures? It's truly a herb with a rich history and a bright future. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of the marvelous mint. From its diverse flavors and uses to its easy cultivation, mint is a must-have herb in every kitchen and garden. So, why not embark on your minty journey today? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay minty fresh. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, embrace the minty goodness. See you in the next video.